We need minimum 4 copper electrode strips and 4 zinc electrode strips for this experiment. We can connect copper and zinc electrode strips like this. The right side we can connect zinc electrode strip like this. Then the left side you can connect copper electrode strip. Okay, see, I have prepared 4 potatoes. So I will be using this crocodile pin and this LED bulb. So we can make a connection like this. We need to connect zinc strip of first potato to copper strip of second potato, then zinc strip of second potato to copper strip of third potato. See, now you can see it's working. So this way we can make potato battery. So when you connect LED bulb, positive leg or long leg of the LED bulb we need to connect to copper strip. Then other leg of the LED bulb we can connect to zinc strip. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please try it